Today I'm going to be reviewing the heat shrink tubing kit, and this is going to be a multi-purpose, and this stuff is really cool. It's actually waterproof as well. I'm going to demo and show you how it works. So as you can see here, we actually have a ton of different sizes in here. We got about 6 different sizes that are going to fit a bunch of different diameters that are going to be the most practical for your multi-purpose kit. So as we open this up, this is going to be all black. There's a lot in here. This is a 180 piece kit. Couple cool things about this is it's flame retardant, water resistant, adhesive lined. I'm going to show you how easy this is to use. All right guys, I chose my diameter and I'm going to be using the 3/32. Kind of hard to see, really small print, but you can actually see it in real life, just harder on a camera. But you can see how that fits really nice because we have a lot of different sizes that can fit a lot of different wires. I got my heat gun right here. We are going to heat this thing up. Let me get my fingers out of the way and we're going to watch this thing shrink. All right, so as we did that, trying to focus in there, you can see that it has melted, created a perfect seal going all the way around. As I pull this thing is on there, not coming apart. So since this is adhesive lined, whenever you heat it up, there is a substance inside that does release to seal this very, very nice. All the way around, 100%. Trying to show you here the best that I can, all the way around. And I am gonna pour some water on here and show you how nice this does seal. And that is perfectly sealed. No water has dripped through this end whatsoever. I mean, you can kind of hold it down like that. I mean, some of it will drip in, but if you hold it that way, pour it in there, see if it comes in, and just dry this off real quick around, and we shouldn't be able to see any water or residue coming out of that tip. On this end, there is nothing. It is completely dry, so the waterproofing technology does work. All right guys, so that is just a little test. These are the biggest and the smallest that we have in comparison with my hands. This is a 3/4 that comes in the kit, and then this is a 3/32. This is the one that I actually just used. Up from that's gonna be a 1/4. Down from this is gonna be a 1/2 inch. That's gonna be the biggest, that's gonna be the smallest. You have a whole bunch of variety in this kit. 180 pieces, great for an enthusiast or somebody that does electrical work full time. This could really be of aid to you. It does come in a bunch of different colors, but the black is nice. So that is my honest review of heat shrink tubing kit. Go and check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.